What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I want to share with you my opinions, my thoughts about an important topic. Has Bitcoin topped already? Has the top been priced in and now it's slowly back to bear market? So in this video I'm going to share my thoughts, my opinions. Guys, as always, do me one massive favor, smash the like button right now. And this is not financial advice, this is just my thoughts, my opinions. Always do your own research. And now then, let's dive right into today's video. So obviously, we want to talk about, has the top been priced in? And by the way, guys, today is no charts, no computers, it's just simple fundamental talks. Guys, I need you to think about a few things, if you're asking yourself this question. Has the price topped in? Now, if you know the fundamentals of Bitcoin and understand the fundamentals, ask yourself this. Right now, this moment in time, right, the world is going crazy with everything going on right now, and there's no better time for Bitcoin to prove its fundamentals right now in this time, in this day and age, right, than in the last bull market, 2017. I mean, think about it this way. Just imagine the whole fundamental point of Bitcoin, and it's just perfect. I mean, don't get me wrong, of course we wish things are better in the world, but just think about everything logically. Guys, would you sell your Bitcoin right now? I mean, this is number one thing you have to think about. And this is what I think about, guys, because if you understand the fundamentals of Bitcoin, you just will ask yourself, what do you mean sell your Bitcoin now? This can't be the top, right? Now, that's one thing you should think about. Another thing is I want you to think about, guys, and this is something so many people just don't understand. And right now, I mean, we have another stimulus check coming out. Now, people don't understand all these stimulus checks. What happens? What happens with your fiat money? Guys, would you really want to be putting all your savings in fiat money in the bank? Think about it, would you? I mean, just think about what's going on around the world right now for the last year. Every country, not just the US. People always talk about the US printing stimulus because obviously the US is the main reserve currency, the US dollar. However, think about, besides the US, every single country in the world is printing money, or I wouldn't say money, currency, like no other. What does this mean, guys? I mean, put it this way, if you putting your money in the bank as savings, for long term, for retirement, or to save up to buy a property. I mean, I don't know, everyone has their goals, right? Just think what's going to happen down the line. Guys, we don't see these things tomorrow. It's not going to take a week for that to happen. It takes time, but look at the big picture. Just think what's going to happen to your savings in your account, whether it's savings, savings account, whatever it is, guys, or holding cash. Guys, do you really want to put all your money or hold all your, or even a lot of your savings in fiat? I personally know I don't want to do that, guys, because right now what's happening in the world is every country is printing cash, yet the Bitcoin price has recently gone down. Ask yourself this. What does this mean, guys? The stock markets right now on a I wouldn't say a crash, but stock markets are going down right now. What does this mean, guys? What does this mean? Think about it. For me personally, this means buy, a big buy signal. This means big green letters, buy. Guys, remember, we all know the quote, when there's blood on the streets, that's when you want to buy. When others are fearful, you be greedy. Now, of course, people right now are panicking. I mean, people are selling their crypto, right? People are selling their shares, their stocks. The smart people are buying. Now, guys, of course, if you're buying, don't go all in at once. You want to average in. So let's say the price goes down, you have a certain amount that you want to spend. You don't want to put all your money into one time, because, of course, if the price goes slowly a bit lower, you can always buy more. You want to have in a better average, buying average. So, guys, don't be a fool. Don't be a fool, guys, because I just don't understand why people right now panic selling their stuff when everything is telling us you don't want to hold cash. You want to buy assets. You want to buy things that will go up, that make your money grow. It's just crazy to see this, guys. And going back to the question, has the top been priced in? Guys, 2 or 3, whatever, a couple of weeks ago, I made a video saying that I'm fearful. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that video. I made a video saying I'm fearful and I'm expecting a correction, the stock market and the crypto market. If you watch the video, you know I said it. And why did I call that, guys? Why did I call that video? Why did I say I'm staying out of my trading for now? And of course, I'm not selling my holding position. My holding positions stay where they are, but I'm not trading, especially with leverage, whether it's shares or crypto. Why did I say that, guys? Because I saw the greed going on. I've seen every single boomer, every single schmuck, whatever you want to call them, that has never heard about crypto is starting to tell you that buy crypto because you're going to be a millionaire from it. You're going to make 10x your money. That's the warning signs for me. However, right now, all these schmucks are scared. They're selling, they're panic selling. This is the time to start buying back in, guys. And I've been telling you guys, when I bought the dips, when we had the when we had the 30%, corrections, I was telling you guys, I'm buying a dip because I believe long term, again, this is not for the short term, for week to week. We're talking about averaging in for the long run. I think these are opportunities, guys. And this is just my thoughts, guys. Please don't do anything because I said this is just my thoughts. Guys, I want you to think about it this way. If you think the top is in, ask yourself the question. All the money printing in the world, all these kind of things, what is going to happen to your money? Bitcoin is finite. You can't create Bitcoins, guys. And slowly, we are seeing these billionaires buying Bitcoins. We all know the saying, if every millionaire in the world wants one Bitcoin, on average, we have about 44 million millionaires. And these things are growing by the day because fiat money is getting printed so much. It's easier to become a millionaire. What does this mean, guys? One Bitcoin isn't much. It is a lot of money, but it isn't much, right? And if every millionaire, which can easily buy one Bitcoin, wants one, there isn't enough for even half of them right now. And don't forget the Bitcoins that are lost for good. From the early days, people didn't take Bitcoin seriously. So many Bitcoins got lost. Besides the point, there are so many Bitcoins that haven't been moved from wallets for years, guys, for years. What does this mean? What does this tell you, guys? Be patient, because there will come a time, there will be a time that people will pay big money to accumulate, to buy Bitcoin. Why? Because they'll be so hard to buy. There will be a shortage. There's a shortage already right now, but I'm talking about the real times. I'm talking about the real times, they haven't shined yet. And if you're selling your Bitcoin right now because you're panicking, guys, I'm not telling you what to do. It's your money. Fair enough. I'm just telling you my thoughts. This is the time to buy more. When there's red days, that's when you buy. When there's green days, you stay back, watch your portfolio grow. Guys, I've been telling you this every single time I do a video. Don't buy the pumps. People get excited when something pumps and they want to FOMO in to catch the big pump. Those, guys, maybe if you buy to the long term, it might not be, a bad idea. But for all those people that buy in the pumps and then the people that go in and out, swing day in, day out, selling their holding positions every week and then buying back, those people don't make it, guys. The people who make it are buy it once, hold it, don't stress yourself from the day-to-day movements. You have a strategy, a plan in place. That's the way you're going to make it, guys. And this is just my honest opinion, my thoughts from my experience. Don't be one of these people that buys the pumps, panic sells. That won't get you far if you want to make nice gains. So guys, this is just my thoughts. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Guys, again, I'm not telling you the dump is over. We could, as I said before, we could even go down to around the $40,000 level. And it's still very bullish. It's still very bullish. We will stay at top of the daily EMA. Guys, you have to understand, when so many people are in profits, we need to shake out the weekends. This means all these unprofessional or people that don't really understand about investing, right? They're in profit, they see the price going down a few percent, they're worried that they'll lose their gains. Let them sell and, shake out the weekends. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by clicking the like button. Guys, help my channel. It's still relatively small. I appreciate all the likes, all the subscribers and all of that stuff, comments. Guys, please help me out by liking this video, subscribe to my channel, help us grow this channel. And of course, if you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum from one of the best exchanges with the lowest rates and fees, especially compared to Coinbase and all these other exchanges out there, check out the link in my description, Swissberg. And also by going through my referral link, you can get up to 100 euros of free Bitcoin just by signing up for my referral. And also, if you want to make some extra money as a side hustle, check out the link in my description, Profit Accumulator, where you can make some extra gains in the side as a side hustle. So guys, thanks for watching this video. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.